The Fractal Project by Sydney Richmond, December 8th, 2016. My original fractal. This is my fractal without an axis on it or anything. As you can see, I did color it blue and yellow. Next, we have the Mandelbrot set. These are fractals that have a recurring pattern, just like snowflakes. The equation is z squared plus c. The c is going to be your point on the graph, and it will remain constant. First, you will begin by plugging in 0, then receive an answer. The answer that you will get, you will plug it into the equation. Repeat this step at least 8 times. Next, you will find the square root for every answer that you received. To see if it's inside the set or not, if the inside is less than 2 and it's bigger than 2, it is outside. Next, let's try an equation. First, we put our equation in and a point that we had chosen. I have chosen 0.75 plus 0.50i. Next, we will put 0 in, making the answer be 0.75 plus 0.50i. To repeat this step again, we will take that answer and plug it in for our z's. This will give us 1.0625 plus 1.25i. Next, I found the absolute value for the first one. As you can tell, I used a squared plus b squared equals c squared to find my answer. Next, I did the same thing for the step 2. I had both of my absolute values be less than 2. This makes my points inside the set. Next, we have some of my calculations I did for seeing if my 4 points were inside the set. As you can see, my first one was inside the set because it was less than 2. And my second one was not inside the set because it was greater than 2. My third one was inside the set since it was less than 2 also. And finally, my last one was outside the set because it was greater than 2. Now my final fractal with all its points and the axis. As you can see, there is 2 inside and 2 outside of the set. Thank you, and that is all.